Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 31. This skill is about formally evaluating the success of a new system or process after it has gone live. Your ultimate goal is to prove, using hard evidence, that your IT project delivered the return on investment promised in your original business case. To do this, you must establish a clear, baseline metric before you change anything. You cannot prove improvement without knowing the starting point. The biggest trap consultants fall into is deploying software and simply walking away. A project is only successful when the evaluation proves the business gained value. When it is time to evaluate, you need two types of evidence. First, gather quantitative data. Extract the hard KPI to prove exactly what happened. Second, gather qualitative data. Interview the end users to uncover the human story of why those numbers occurred. When you report your findings to stakeholders, use a RAG status, red, amber, or green, to give instant visual clarity on whether targets were met. Crucially, if a target is amber or red, never hide it. Perform a root cause analysis and professionally explain why it was missed. This transparency builds massive trust. To build your experience with evaluation, speak directly with your project management office. Ask to review their past benefits realization reports to see how your company defines success. You should also consult your data analysts. Ask them to show you how they extract clean baseline metrics from old legacy systems. Try to shadow senior consultants during their post-project review meetings to observe how they confidently present RAG statuses to the board. Finally, proactively volunteer to design and run the post-launch user satisfaction survey for your team's next software deployment. For your S31 portfolio entry, use this STARR structure. Situation: the business launched a new HR system, but no formal success metrics had been defined. Task: my task was to design an evaluation framework to definitively measure the system's ROI. Action: I retroactively established baseline data, tracked the new KPI over 3 months, and deployed a qualitative user survey to gather feedback. Result: I presented a comprehensive RAG status report to leadership, proving a 40% reduction in employee onboarding time. If you are executing your major project, S31 is your absolute final chapter. You must include an evaluation and lessons learned section. You must insert a clear table comparing your starting baseline, your promised target, and your actual results. Do not just show the numbers, provide a professional written analysis explaining why those specific results occurred. Documenting this is vital because it proves to the assessor that you closed the consulting loop, transitioning from a student to a professional who delivers verified business value. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPAHUB. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.